Buying an old trawler can be the best decision of your life or the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. A buddy of mine found his boat last spring, a 42-foot trawler, teak glowing in the evening light. The sign read $19,000. He could have paid cash that afternoon. Instead, he did the one thing most people skip. He called to insure her first. Most people do it exactly backwards. They fall in love, shake the dealer's hand, sign the check, and find out about insurance 3 weeks later when it's too late to walk away. Tonight, I'll show you the 5 trawlers insurance companies are quietly slamming the door on in 2026. Boats a surveyor will pass, but an underwriter will throw straight in the trash. And then the 3 they'll practically fight each other to write, including one that'll break your heart because she might be the best built boat in this whole video. A working agent will tell you flat out, 4 boxes decide everything: hull material, age, drive type, and fuel type. Tick the wrong one and the nicest boat on the water gets a polite no. The median boat owner in this country is 60 years old. Underwriters would rather insure a 60-year-old captain's 2-year-old hull than a 40-year-old one, every single time. Number 5 is a hull material most people under 50 have never heard of: Ferro-cement, concrete. Painted up, it looks like any other trawler. And here's the honest part: a well-built one can be as tough as a bridge piling. Wait, I saw one of those AI boat channels swear a Ferro hull can never rust because it's concrete. Totally backwards. The old hands tore it apart in the comments in 4 minutes. Number 4 is the steel hull trawler, and this one stings because steel is how serious ocean crossers get built. The problem is what you can't see: she rusts from the inside out. A guy wrote me about a clean 1980s steel 40-footer out west. 3 carriers in a row told him the same thing: no quote at that age, not higher premium, no quote at all. Number 3 isn't one model, it's a situation. The big old Taiwan motor yacht bought to live aboard in Florida. On paper, it's the whole dream, but you've just stacked every red flag underwriters own into one hull. I watched a couple try to insure a 41-foot President exactly like that. The seller was grandfathered in, paid for years, never a claim. The buyer rejected outright. Same boat, same water. The only thing that changed was whose name was on the title. Number 2 is the one that fools the most people because she's fiberglass, and people think fiberglass keeps them safe. It doesn't. The real killer is buried under the cabin sole. Black iron fuel tanks rusting from the inside like a coffee can left in the rain. Number 1 is a wooden Grand Banks, and saying that out loud makes me a little sad because pound for pound, she might be the best built boat in this whole video. You can buy a 1972 wooden 32-footer for $15,000, and for most people, she's completely uninsurable. Now flip it over, because for every boat underwriters slam the door on, there's one they roll the carpet out for. And the pattern is dead simple once you see it. The Nordic Tug. Recent ones hold 80 to 90% of what they cost new. When value is that solid, agreed value coverage practically writes itself. The Katie Krogan 42 is the real ocean crosser of the bunch. 20, 30 years old, and they still get written without a fight, because condition and a gold-plated name beat a birthday every time. Here's the irony that should stick with you. The same name sitting dead last on the refused list sits near the top of the loved list. The only thing that changed is one word: fiberglass instead of wood. Here's what I do with my own money. Call the insurance agent before you fall in love. Match the boat to the water. Price the repair job into the offer, not your hopes. Hire your own surveyor, never the seller's. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to support the channel.